rushed to the emergency room. Despite a bone fracture and torn ligaments, Dave refused to quit.
I was hoping for the best, but I got bad news. What did they say? I have a torn FCR and a slight fracture of the wrist. No matter how messed up my wrist is, I can take the pain, and I'm here to stay.
Oh yo.
Only one hand, he earned the nickname the One-Armed Bandit, and against all odds, went on to win season 6 of Hell's Kitchen. But if you think Dave's broken hand was brutal, wait until you see what happened to his co-chef Robert during a punishment that went horribly wrong. Dave's injury was a nightmare, but Andrew from season 7 brought a different kind of danger to Hell's Kitchen. The moment Andrew casually described his psychotic approach to food, Gordon realized he was dealing with someone genuinely disturbing.
What is that? A steak tartare. I guess the inspiration from that came from the fact that I've raised and butchered my own animal, and I like eating them raw. When I win this competition, I'm going to buy 2 walk-in coolers. That's all I really want. It's 2 walk-in coolers. Then I can start butchering animals. What I like to do is some form of Hell's Kitchen Hannibal Lecter. Maybe.
But this wasn't the only time Gordon questioned the chef's sanity. When Chris from season 18 said he was hearing voices in his head, Chef Ramsay was truly unsettled. After winning a challenge with an impressive dish, Chris celebrating. Instead, his thoughts spiraled into a dark place.
I feel like the longer I stay, the more it's going to progress in this darkness. Like, it was a cool win, but winning and being on this like natural high.
As his mental state devolved, Chris told sous chef Christina what he was experiencing.
Yeah, of course. So, I'm going to be driving out of Hell's Kitchen today. I got into my accident, like, I was in a very, very, very dark spot. It's bringing back a demon. And I feel
Chúng sẽ đua tay nổ mà. Trong đó tự tay đùa.
Like, I once felt that I tried so hard to get away from. I feel like creeping on me again, which is real, real scary. I was in a dark spot after all this stuff happened. I was stuck in demons. I don't know if I'm voices in my head. I appreciate your honesty. Now let me go talk to Gordon.
When Gordon learned Chris was battling inner demons, there was no hesitation.
If you're uncomfortable and you're feeling demons, then you need to get help.
네, 언니 있다.
He walked away from Hell's Kitchen that night, and no one tried to stop him. While Chris was fighting an internal conflict, Andy from season 6 suffered a graphic physical injury while slicing potatoes.
Fuck me. Medic! I need a medic! Are you serious? My center, middle finger, it's maybe the other fingers too.
I have Andy. He needs to go to the clinic to get stitches on his 3 fingers.
It was so deep and so hard. The tips of his fingers were literally taken off.
Andy returned from the hospital later in the service. However, things went from bad to worse when his injury made him useless in the kitchen.
I don't know how Andy's gonna be able to work, so I decided I was gonna just jump in to help him out. I'll do all your risottos.
Thank you. Andy has found something he can do despite his injury.
I know that I can make the salad. The stirring and stuff like that is really difficult for me. Fuck. No, it's not normal. I'm talking about a salad. Look at the fucking dressing. Look. You're killing the salad. How much fucking dressing are you putting in it? Yes, chef. Are you doing it? No, chef. What is that shit?
When Andy made excuses for his mistakes, Gordon pointed out that his teammate Dave was going circles around him, despite also having only one working hand. Andy's inability to bounce back after the injury left him getting eliminated after the service. But season 14's Brett suffered a...
No.
Before about 100 or before about
그렇죠.
Yes.
I have gymnastics. A famous author.
Let's go Hemingway.
Edgar Allan Poe.
그렇죠.
J.K. Rowling. Okay. Name a career in healthcare.
RN.
Your turn. Like dentistry? What? Like would dentistry be like considered
Dentistry?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You said RN?
Yeah.
I have nurse. You're out. Yeah, you win.
Oh, first connection. Oh, Andy gets you smash, girls. Oh, no, nothing. Oh, last table.
나갔다 이거.
Con chỉ cần được mà chi khó tiền đây thì đã một đầu đâu. nhiều không Christmas nữa mình xài à để cho cùng Christmas nó phía đâu cho mình được giao với mẹ của tụi mình xài là sao
진짜 시작해서 많이 하지.
ừ.